Welcome back to Carverse. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and unique releases in the motorhome world, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Motorhome. Inspired by the iconic 1950s Bel Air styling but reimagined for modern travel, this motorhome blends nostalgic design with the latest in comfort, technology, and performance. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rolling piece of American automotive art. The exterior of the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Motorhome immediately draws attention wherever it goes. Chevrolet has masterfully blended the classic Bel Air design elements into the larger motorhome body. The front features a wide chrome grille with vintage-style crosshatch detailing, flanked by large round LED headlights that pay homage to the original 1957 Bel Air. The dual-tone paint schemes are stunning, with vibrant color options like turquoise, and white crimson red with ivory, and jet black with polished chrome accents. The signature chrome trim runs along the sides, capturing that unmistakable Bel Air look, while the sweeping rear fins have been subtly integrated into the motorhome's larger form, giving it a perfect mix of retro charm and modern aerodynamics. The large panoramic windows offer fantastic visibility from inside while keeping the iconic design flowing from front to back. Power-operated awnings and side steps add convenience, while a full-length illuminated Bel Air script along the sides adds an elegant finishing touch. Flush-mounted solar panels cover much of the roof, providing sustainable energy while maintaining the sleek design. Stepping inside the Bel Air Motorhome feels like entering a 1950s-inspired luxury lounge, but with every modern comfort you could want. Chevrolet has used a mix of high-end materials like quilted leather, polished chrome, retro-patterned upholstery, and glossy lacquered wood surfaces to create a space that oozes vintage glamour while being fully functional for today's travelers. The front captain's chairs are large and plush with full power adjustment, massage functions, heating and cooling. The Bel Air logo is elegantly stitched into the headrests, a subtle reminder of the vehicle's heritage. The living area features a retro-styled diner booth with red leather seats and a gleaming chrome-trimmed table. This area easily converts into additional sleeping space when needed. The kitchen is compact but highly functional, offering a modern induction cooktop, convection oven, a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, and even a built-in soda fountain to complete the nostalgic vibe. Custom cabinetry with chrome handles offers plenty of storage for extended trips. In the rear of the motorhome, the master bedroom features a king-size bed with a 1950s-inspired headboard, ambient LED lighting, and built-in nightstands with wireless charging pads. Overhead storage cabinets and a large wardrobe ensure there's plenty of room for clothing and gear. The bathroom is beautifully finished with a full walk-in shower, porcelain toilet, and vanity with a large mirror, offering all the comforts of home on the road. Technology is integrated seamlessly into the retro design. A 15-inch central touchscreen controls the motorhome's lighting, climate, entertainment, and energy systems. Voice commands, wireless internet, satellite TV, and a premium 15-speaker Bose sound system ensure every trip is connected and entertaining. The integrated solar panels feed into a large lithium-ion battery pack, enabling extended off-grid capability. Under the hood, the 2026 Bel Air Motorhome is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, producing 450 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. The motorhome delivers smooth, effortless acceleration and plenty of power for towing or climbing steep mountain roads. An available hybrid assist option adds extra efficiency and quiet operation during low-speed driving or campground maneuvering. The ride quality is smooth and composed, thanks to Chevrolet's advanced adaptive air suspension system, which automatically adjusts for road conditions and weight distribution. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and a full 360-degree camera system to make parking and navigation simple, even in tight spaces. Pricing for the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Motorhome starts at around $150,000 for the base model, with fully equipped versions reaching up to $180,000 depending on customization options. While it's positioned in the premium segment, it offers a rare combination of classic design, modern comfort, and real-world capability. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Motorhome, a perfect marriage of retro style and modern luxury that brings nostalgia and innovation together on the open road. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more right here on Carverse.